Our better people, welcome. Welcome to another episode of When Marriage Becomes a Nightmare. Hmm. Episode 28. Now here we dey so. Hmm. The day don't come when Clara go give Oga Jonathan a response to the question where the pikin ask say whether they should choose if she wants stay with a restaurant abi she won't continue today for the marriage. Now today everybody go hear the news. I beg you, if una never like our channel, mukuna press the like button for us. And also mukuna subscribe to our channel also and follow us. Mukuna continue to dey follow us for more tori on this channel. Mukuna subscribe so that we will continue to dey bring ogbonge tori where they change life, where they transform life for this our channel for una. I know say as una don dey follow us all this while, una don learn something for this our tori wey we dey always bring for una for this channel. Abeg, mo we continue from where we start from. Jonathan don dey table, im mama, im pikin, everybody dey dining table. Clara don serve dem. E dey serve dem their breakfast. As e serve dem their breakfast finish, na im she waka comot for the dining, go upstairs. Oga Jonathan come dey smile. E dey drink im tea, come dey smile say, "Mama, shebi I tell you say I go make am calm. Una see how gentle she dey this morning, how calm she dey this morning. Why? Because say I don help her reset her brain. I don help her come back to her senses." Na the mama come talk say, my son, thank you. I no wan make my pikin leave her marriage at all. Na Auntie Jennifer just dey look say, I know say for her mind she dey look say, una never see anything. Yes, you no know wetin go happen. Yes, una no know wetin go jam una very soon because una go receive the banger of your life. Na the thing wey dey for Jennifer mind be that. As Jonathan come dey smile, dey laugh with him mother-in-law, say, "Hey, my wife don change, she don gentle." Na Jennifer dey boil for inside, dey look them with one kind bad eyes. Na all of a sudden, as dem dey chop, dey drink wetin dem dey drink for table, na Jennifer, everybody hear the sound of bag dropping on the floor. Na as dem turn, na dem see say Clara don dey come downstairs with all her luggages. Hey! Una see so? The one wey Jonathan and im mother-in-law dey think say Clara don change. Clara go give them their response because Jonathan think say because Clara tell am the night before say make e no worry, say im go get im response. Im go get the response say shebi im wan make she comot for the restaurant. No wahala, im go comot for the restaurant. Na Jennifer come dey smile. E come carry face, come dey happy. Her body dey jolly am as she see say Clara don make her decision to comot for that house. Yes, she don make her decision to comot for that house. Na Benny come dey look and say, "Hey, my mama won't leave me go with that." Na Jennifer, Clara mama come stand up for the dining, go meet Clara. They ask am say, "Wetin happen? Where you dey go?" Na Clara talk say, "Shebi they don give me option, say make I choose whether I wan stay with my restaurant abi I wan stay for the family. And me, I don choose my future. I go the restaurant, go dey stay for my restaurant, build my restaurant, grow myself. Na the thing wey I go do be that because say I no be bad mama, I be better mama, and I no wan make my pikin suffer. Na make me wan comot for the house so that my husband and my pikin go continue to dey stay for this house. Because if I say make my pikin and my husband comot, my pikin go suffer, and I no wan make she dey homeless. Na the thing be that. So I don make my choice." Na the mama come dey ask her say, "E be like say something dey worry you, something dey on top your head wey dey control that your head. Why you go comot for your marriage because say you wan go build your restaurant? Shey na by force make you go your restaurant?" Na she talk say, "Mama, my marriage don become company. E don become organization wey be say dem dey give rules and regulation. And I no fit stay for this kind marriage anymore. Make I go build my life because me myself, I get my own life to build." Na Penny come dey look him mama. She dey pain her. She dey cry for inside. I know that. Na Jonathan look Penny say, "Hey, my pikin dey cry." He come stand up. As he stand up, na he run after Clara, go meet her for outside. Clara mama still dey call Clara, dey look. Na Jennifer dey on top that dining, dey whine, dey jolly herself, say, "Hey, finally, Clara don make the right decision. And me, I go follow am. I go follow am. I dey happy well well. Say she choose to be somebody. She choose to follow her dream." Yes, so my people, say you don marry or you get pikin no mean say you no fit become somebody for life. Na Jonathan go meet am for outside, come dey tell am say, "This one wey you dey waka dey go, where you dey go? Where you dey go? Who you wan leave your pikin for?" Na she talk say, "My pikin no be small pikin anymore." Say, "Hear wetin you dey talk, Jonathan." Hear wetin you dey talk, e be like say you no get sense at all. Abeg, you better stay one place so that the thunder wa go send make e fire you, make meet you for where e go fire you. You dey talk say make I leave, make I stay here. No be you give the condition. No be you give the condition. Say make I choose between my marriage and my restaurant. And me, I don't choose my restaurant because say I need a life of my own. I need to build myself positively. So I beg you, waka comot for my front. Leave my bag alone. I dey go. And nothing wey you fit do, I dey comot for your house. Shebi I don leave your house for you. Oh yeah now, ngwan, dey do your own. Dey take care of the house as you don dey talk to people, dey tell people up and down say you be odogo, you be owner of the house. Now you dey do everything for the house. Oh yeah now, shebi I don comot for your house. Oh yeah, make una dey do. Ngwan, dey do your own. Abeg. Na him come talk say, Clara come still tell am say, shebi everything wey I no know about, wey I no do, wey you talk say I do, wey you dey talk say na me do, na everything now I wan go do. Na him Jonathan come tell am say, so you wan go meet with ants, abi make you continue to dey stay with ants. Na him she talk say anything wey she wan do with her life, she go do. No be im business at all. Say make him comot im face, comot im hand for im matter. As she talk finish, tell am everything finish, say shebi na manipulator im be. Jonathan come dey look am say, him no expect say im wife go comot for the house. Na him hold the bag. The wife tell am say make comot im hand for the bag. Abeg, comot your hand for my bag, make I go. Na him she push im hand comot for the bag. As she push im hand comot for the bag, so na him she waka go her car, drop her bag for inside her car. As she drop her bag for inside her car, na him she enter inside the car, start the motor, come drive comot. As she dey drive dey go, na him Jonathan dey call am say make she please, make she come down so that both of them go sit down talk. Say make him please, na make him no go. Na him Clara no listen at all. Clara come waka go. Jonathan come put hand for him head say, hey, gbege don come. I don chop gbege o. I don enter trouble. Why I go do this thing? Now e don backfire. Una remember say the sister dey warn am, but e no listen. Now e don face am. As he enter inside, na he come dey scream, dey kick everything, dey scatter everything because say him think say Clara no go comot for the marriage at all. Say he go listen to am as the obedient wife wey Clara be. Na he come dey shout say, mama, your pikin don go. Take your phone, make you call your pikin. Abeg, call your pikin, call am, make you talk to am, make she come back. Make she come back. Na he come dey cry, dey throw himself for ground. Na him the sister Jennifer come tell am say, wetin dey cry for? Shebi na him talk say make she choose between the marriage and her restaurant. And my baby girl don choose the one wey dey okay for her, and I dey happy for her because say you wey be man, you no wan make your wife succeed at all. You no wan make your wife get anything. Now at least she don comot for your life. May you do anything wey you wan do. May you do anything wey you wan do because this woman, she sacrifice everything for you, give you everything, but you no appreciate am at all. You no appreciate anything wey she do for you. Now you come dey cry, dey throw yourself for ground. You never cry, you go still cry well well. You go still suffer well well because I no understand you at all. Na him the mother-in-law come dey beg am, dey pet am, dey do everything, but still he still dey cry. He still dey cry like small baby wey dem put for inside court. Na so he come hold him mother-in-law, dey cry, hold himself, dey roll himself up and down, dey throw himself up and down because say he know say he don make mistake, he don miss someone. Person wey come your life come do you good, wey you use your own hand take pursue and comot. Na the thing be that oh. Benny don dey inside her room and grandmama don come meet am, come tell am say shey she go just sit down like that dey look, she no go do anything. Make she carry her phone call her mama, tell her mama say make her mama come back. Na Benny tell the grandmama say abeg, shebi una don give am the option and she don choose the one wey she want. Abeg, person wey wan leave make e leave, person wey no wan leave make e no leave. Say my own be say she don choose her own and she dey okay, no wahala. So abeg, na him the grandmama still dey talk. Na him she come talk say shebi na una tell me say make I tell am, make I give am option, and she don take the one wey suit her well well. So wetin be my own? Wetin be my own for there at all? I no get anything there. Shebi na your pikin you call am. Abeg, na you suppose get upper hand take talk to your pikin. Talk to your pikin, na your pikin. If you talk to am, she go listen. Abeg, make una comot me for this wahala. Jonathan dey parlour, dey think about him life. Na him dey think, he dey cry. The sister come parlour, come dey use am laugh, dey talk, dey laugh. Dey use am laugh say, hey, I dey happy today say my sister-in-law don comot. Oh, my ex-sister-in-law don comot. And now she don go build her life. Na the thing wey I want be that. As you be say You don't want the success of your wife at all. You don't even want make your wife succeed at all. You are the kind of man where they say you don't want make your wife do anything, make you be on top, make you the gara like this, the gara, they carry shoulder pad up and down. Now, thank God, say your wife don't come out because say she knows, say the marriage, you know, they befit am anywhere at all. She know they gain anything for her. So why in go continue to stay for inside the marriage? Now in Jonathan look and say, make she wash her mouth. She come talk say, if I no wash my mouth, wetin you wan do? You wan carry cane beat me? Shey you wan beat me? You know say wetin I dey tell you na the truth. You think say I dey fear you? I no fear you at all. I no fear you at all. I dey happy well well say she don comot. She don comot. Cry, 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 cry. You never cry. You go cry more. Tears go come outside for your eyes. You go cry sotey you no go know wetin you go do again. Na the thing wey I tell you be that. Na she waka comot. Go inside kitchen, go look for food. That she talk say she dey hungry. Jonathan come think, they think, they think, they think. Jonathan, they think, they cry, yo. Now he use his hand do himself now. Now he use his hand do himself because say Clara love him so much. He even go extra mile to take care of his own child. No be say na Clara born am, no be Clara born the pikin. Clara still take care of the child because of the love wey he get for the girl papa. Na Jennifer dey kitchen be this, so she dey cook. Na him Benny come meet am for inside kitchen say wetin dem go chop for afternoon. Na him Benny come talk say, come dey look up and down say who dey talk to me. As him dey look up and down say who dey talk to am. Na him na him she come answer am say well na noodles me I wan chop but I no know about una. Say as I dey so I no know wetin una wan chop. Na him Benny come talk say I think say you go cook food for everybody. Na him Jennifer tell her say I no be like your mama o. The good mama, I no be that kind mama wey be say I go stress myself over family. I no fit stress myself. You see my nails as e dey like this, they no dey for stress at all. I no fit stress myself. I no fit frustrate myself. If you know say hunger dey catch you, make you go fix food for yourself. And if you make food, remember say you go put my own mouth because as I dey like this now, I wan chop. So you fit go. Na him she talk. As she talk finish, Benny come talk say but you are to cook for everybody. And she tell am say Ben, no insult me o, no talk to me anyhow. Me I no dey take nonsense o. I no dey take nonsense. I no be like your mama o. I go beat you press. Na him she tell am come dey talk to am say you no know then when you carry your hand chase your mama wey dey cook for you, wey dey take care of you, wey dey do everything for you, you chase am comot for the house. Now shebi you don dey, you go dey okay. You go take care of yourself by yourself. Abeg look for how you wan take cook for yourself. Do everything wey you dey do by yourself. As she talk that kind talk finish, say hey, you know say just leave me the way I dey. As she talk finish, na him she face wetin she dey do. Na him Benny come dey ask am say if she dey angry with am. Come dey say she angry. She no fit dey angry with am o. Say her royal majesty, why she go dey angry with am? Benny herself don know say the thing wey she do e wrong. Now she dey come dey look for how she go take dey close to her auntie again. As the auntie talk finish, hail am say hey, na royal majesty she be so. Na him she continue to dey cook say Benny na brainless child. The reason why she call Benny brainless child because say Benny no think before she act, before she accept to do wetin im papa tell am say make him do. She no think of the repercussion at all. She no even look say if I do this, wetin go happen? She just go ahead do am. As she come talk to am finish, Benny notice say im papa dey there. She come give her auntie response say she no be brainless child. Shebi her mama, na her mama no like am. Her mama just ignore am, leave am like that, carry her bag comot for the house. Well, person wey wan leave, make him leave. After all, im mama no like am. Im mama no love am because say if im mama love am, e no go comot for the house. E no go leave am comot for the house. As she come dey talk, na him Jennifer dey angry with wetin Benny dey talk. Say this girl no know anything at all. Na him she woz and slap. As she woz and slap the first time, woz and slap the second time. As she woz and slap, tell am say she dey normal. She dey normal. Na him Jonathan run come meet am. As Jonathan run come meet am now, Jonathan come dey settle the fight between her and her auntie. My people, una see wetin dey happen so. Una see wetin dey happen so. If they ask me, I dey happy well well. You know, say I tell una say if Clara choose say she won't continue with her family, I go vex. But I dey happy because say she made the right decision. Some women then they think say because say their husband give them order, they must follow. I know say make una no follow your husband, but the thing be say make we sit down together. Think about am. Husband wey want make you go forward in life, husband wey want make you grow for life, him go support you, him go do everything to support your progress. But you see our Oga Jonathan, he no dey ready to dey supportive to Aunty Clara at all, because say he wan be the person to dey on top, to always dey on the top, to always dey command. He no remember say husband and wife na friends dem be. Husband and wife na one person dem be. No be say una go come dey for marriage, dey for authoritative marriage. No, make dem work together. E dey sweet when one person dey give other. So you understand wetin I dey talk? Na him wetin happen be that. He no want the success of him wife at all. He no wan make the wife dey successful. Na him dey do wetin he dey do. He dey follow people wrong advice. I pity Jonathan. He never start to, he go soon start well. He go soon start well. Now the thing wey I go talk. If una don't follow us this far, una never like our channel, I beg you, make una give us that like, make una give us that thumbs up, and make una go subscribe to our channel also, so that we will continue to bring more story to una view for this our Ogbonge channel. Yes, so my people, I beg you, make una go the comment section, make una tell me how una feel. Say una body dey jolly you as e dey jolly me. E dey jolly me well. Say Clara don comot for Jonathan house. E dey jolly me well. If e dey jolly una, abeg make una go the comment section, make una tell me how una body dey jolly you concerning the decision wey Clara make. I go dey wait for una. Ngwanu, bye bye.